This is the best 2026 niche. No, try this one. No, this niche is the right one. This niche has a crazy high RPM. No, this niche got viral with each video. You heard that choosing the right niche is the key for succeeding in YouTube automation. You mindlessly watch dozens of hidden niches videos. I'm here to tell you that the best niche is. No, it's not another video about the new trending already saturated niche, so if you clicked hoping to find that you can click away. I know you thought YouTube automation was going to be easy and fun. You like creating videos, and the idea of making passive income is very exciting, so this business model was made for you. After a few weeks, you realize making a video go viral isn't as easy as you thought it would be. Here's a fact: there are more and more people starting YouTube automation, so even if you find a niche non-saturated, it'll be a question of days, weeks before a lot of beginners like you start their own channel with the same exact thumbnail template, replicating the same exact trending titles. But there are two solutions, two secret tools that can skyrocket your YouTube growth. I am absolutely not an expert. I am still learning every day. I will just share with you what I understood in 1 year of grinding on YouTube automation. My channel is just here to document my journey and what I found. So make sure to like and subscribe to not miss the next video. Okay, now that you are focused after this intro, I can get a little bit more precise. Of course, your niche matters, but there is another point that is more crucial. In 2026, with AI making anyone in the world able to create short and long-form videos very easily with a computer and a Wi-Fi, the barrier of entry is lowering as AI progress, and that's a good thing. But you need to differentiate yourself from the crowd. There is 2 ways to make it in YouTube automation. I'll reveal them during this video. But first, we need to see why the niche you choose is important, but not the first factor of success. All niches and stats are public with tools like VidIQ, so the moment a niche format blow up, it becomes outdated. If you aren't using VidIQ, you are already behind. Niche with higher RPM don't need to make videos go viral in order to make decent money. RPM is good, but there's way more money to make on the side with digital products, affiliate marketing, school community, SaaS. There is no niche that allows you to have a $100 RPM, but with the right offer to the right audience, it's possible. In every niche, there are winners and losers. They show you only the successful channel, but with one channel that blow up, there are 10 other channels with similar format that don't even get monetized. There are better niches that compound with time and don't rely on virality, but that's a subject for another day. Write in the comment if you want a video on the best long-term niches. There are also niches that are better for you depending of your interest. Think of what you like doing. It could be turned into a niche where you will have a competitive advantage. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a 1-month race. By choosing a niche that interests you, you reduce the chance of quitting or getting demotivated. Here's a tool named TubeLab that allow you to find niches if you are still struggling. Luck is still an important factor on YouTube automation, but the 2 tools I will share with you will surprise you and allow you to finally get views and make money in YouTube automation. Before sharing with you my 2 secret tools, I want to talk about something that will make the tools irrelevant if you don't understand it. Outsmarting your competitors. Become better at understanding what the algorithm rewards and what your audience wants. Your videos should solve a problem. Entertainment videos solve the problem of being bored. There are still a lot of things to talk about. You can find great YouTube automation communities on School to learn the fundamentals to succeed. Link in the description. Outwork your competitors. Working hard is great. Using automation that works while you sleep is better. In 2026, it becomes an urgency to use AI automation like N8N or Make.com to post more videos than your competitors. Instead of 1 video a day, you can post 10 in different channels. You can also use AI automation to spot trending videos in your niche that you can replicate. It's basically having a 24/7 trend finder machine working harder and smarter than you without needing to rest. All of that for free. Part 1, Time Leverage. AI works while you sleep. Think of AI automation like hiring a team of invisible employees who never sleep. Without automation, running a YouTube automation business is like riding a bike uphill. You're pedaling nonstop just to stay in place. Every upload, every description, every spreadsheet update costs time. With tools like N8N, once you build the workflow, it keeps running on its own. For example, a video finishes rendering, right arrow, the title and description are generated, right arrow, the video is uploaded, right arrow, analytics are tracked automatically. You stop trading hours for results and start trading systems for scale. Part 2, Consistency. No missed uploads, no human errors. YouTube rewards consistency, not motivation. Working manually is like relying on memory. Eventually you forget something. A tag is missing, an upload is late, a description is half done. Automation is like a factory conveyor belt. Every video goes through the same steps in the same order every single time. For example, every upload gets SEO-optimized titles, pinned comments, links, and tags without you thinking about it. The algorithm loves predictable behavior, and automation guarantees it. Part 3: Scaling without burning out. Manual work scales linearly. Automation scales exponentially. If you run one channel manually, it's manageable. 2 channels, stressful. 5 channels, impossible. Automation is like turning one coffee machine into a Starbucks franchise. The same system that uploads one video can upload 100. With N8N, one workflow can manage multiple channels, niches, or languages without multiplying your workload. That's how real YouTube automation businesses grow without burning out. Part 4: Data becomes a weapon, not a chore. Data is powerful, but only if you actually use it. Manually checking analytics is like looking at the speedometer once an hour while driving. You're already too late. Automation turns data into a live GPS. It can track CTR, watch time, and retention, and trigger actions automatically. Example: if retention drops below a certain point, you get alerted. If a video performs well, right arrow, the system generates similar titles or topics. You stop guessing and start optimizing. Part 5: AI turns you from creator into operator. The biggest shift isn't speed, it's mindset. Without automation, you are the worker. With automation, you become the operator. AI can generate script drafts, title variations, descriptions, and even thumbnail ideas. You're no longer staring at a blank page, you're choosing the best option. It's like going from writing every email manually to managing a high-performance marketing machine. That's the difference between a YouTube hobby and a YouTube automation business. So to wrap this up, chasing the perfect niche is a trap. The real edge in YouTube automation in 2026 isn't secret niches, it's systems, leverage, and AI automation. If you want to outsmart and outwork your competition, you need workflows that scale. While you sleep in, this channel is all about AI automation for YouTube. Real tools, real systems, and real strategies. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss the AI goldmine that's coming in, and if you're serious about making money with YouTube automation. You can join the school community linked in the description, where I learned how to get views on YouTube. And all the tools I mentioned are also linked in the description, and thanks for watching.